Hello, my name is Missy Weichel. I'm a level 4 student with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is my research marketing assignment for Instagram. We'll be discussing why Instagram is better than Facebook and some of the other social media platforms. With a little research about Instagram, I was able to find some interesting facts to help you make your decision. Sometimes it can be overwhelming with all the new technology in the world, and it can be a struggle to find out what the best advertisement for our ministries are. So let's discuss why Facebook um, is not as good as Instagram. Instagram is a great tool to reach people all over the world. And with some fun facts, I'll teach you how to set up an Instagram um, page. So first of all, you'll download it from your Play Store and create an account. You can go to the settings and switch your account to a professional account. Then you just fill everything out that it asks you, follow the instructions, and create your own page and post your pictures and things that you want on there. And if you have a minimum of 10,000 followers, Instagram will begin paying you money. So, Facebook was one of the most popular social media platforms used all over the world. But soon, when the Instagram app launched, people started moving from Facebook due to various reasons. So, let's talk about why Instagram is better than Facebook. Um, Experts are now saying that Instagram will beat Facebook by this year and become the world's best social working network app. Instagram is mobile friendly. The engagement rate is higher than Facebook, which is an interesting fun fact. When it comes to engagements, um, Instagram gets more than all the other social media platforms. Instagram's engagement rate is higher than all the other platforms, and that's why businesses are getting such great responses on Instagram. A study found comparing average like posts on Facebook and average like posts on Instagram, they found that Instagram is clearly getting more likes on the post. So, because one of those reasons is because it's so easy to use. It's a lot easier to use than Facebook because the main purpose of Instagram is to post photos. It's all about pictures, and everyone likes just by tapping on the screen. So, you don't have to scroll anywhere. It's just very easy. It's fast, safe, and personal. Instagram is faster in speed for getting content as compared to Facebook. It's more social. Instagram also allows you to browse through trending news, pages, topics, posts, even if you're not following them. Uh, Facebook only has suggestions on pages and people that you can share content with. So that's pretty exciting. Talking about Instagram, you can only see pictures and videos of the people who followed you. It's a feature of Instagram that stands higher compared to the other social media platforms. It's also a better place for brands. There is a built in messaging feature, so you don't have to use Messenger like the Facebook. You have to go to Messenger. So, let me go back to a better place for brands. From a marketing point of view, Instagram wins because they haven't made their application complex. With fewer changes to the platforms, it's easier for the user to experience. In comparison with Facebook, they constantly make amendments to their display, make it difficult for organic reaches for brand posts. So, also, there's better stories of integration. The idea of stories function was taken from Snapchat, which inspired both Facebook and Instagram to integrate this function into their apps. However, Instagram is better because it has better stories integration, while the interface between Facebook newsfeed and stories is weak and not as attractive as compared to Instagram. The reach that Instagram has is more than 1 billion monthly active users, and 80% are outside of the US. So, this means that you can reach people and platforms globally, which is really great. It's great for that extra socialization for your ministry and business. Social media is a great tool to have to promote your ministry or your business. Having multiple social platforms can help you. So I do recommend Instagram. God bless you, and I pray you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.